Capstone video presentation by Christine Anderson. My 20 years as an educator has provided me with numerous opportunities to teach, love, challenge, engage, laugh, cry, and best of all, celebrate a multitude of learning victories in Fulton County schools. Most of these experiences have been at my current school, Hembry Springs Elementary, located in Roswell, Georgia. 3 years ago, I was accepted into our district's Vanguard team. The mission of Vanguard is to build the capacity of Fulton County Schools educators and leaders to personalize learning through coaching and instructional technology. It is through this work as a Vanguard team member that I was led to further my learning and training in technology integration. In September of 2017, I became a candidate for earning my Education Specialist degree in Instructional Technology at Kennesaw State University. Like many districts, personalized learning has become an important initiative for Fulton County schools. The trouble is that our large county, which is divided into 5 learning communities, has different levels of understanding about how to put these valuable principles into practice. Teachers lack confidence, and they need a support system to give them a stronger self-efficacy that will allow them to try new strategies. Through personal conversations with teachers at Hembry Springs Elementary, many have claimed that they would like more direction and clarity as to exactly what personalized learning principles look like in action. For these reasons, I decided to support teachers through my Capstone project. Encouraged by the 2014 research study titled Transforming Schools from Traditional to Personalized, a need exists for teachers to see best practices in action in order to understand how to incorporate them themselves. The Personalized Learning Video Vault will contain short clips of teachers sharing specific ways that they incorporate personalized learning strategies in their classrooms. In February of 2018, the Hembry Springs Personalized Learning Team performed a learning walk to paint a picture of how teachers are incorporating personalized learning strategies in their classrooms. Focus was on 3 of the 7 personalized learning principles that were identified in Hembry Springs' School Improvement Plan. Our team visited several classrooms in action, and we looked for evidence of personalized learning. Following these walks, our team met to compile observation data. This data revealed that though evidence exists that teachers are aware of the strategies, there is not a unified understanding of them. Of the teachers implementing a personalized learning strategy, the level of implementation was only found at the developing level. This information provided me with a foundation as to how I could move forward in planning for the district video repository. Early steps involved conversations with leaders of the Vanguard team. This was necessary for me to establish their full support and guidance to put my plan into action. Discussions took a variety of formats, including face-to-face meetings and phone conferences, as well as online meetings using Microsoft Teams. I also created a short Adobe Spark video to explain my vision for the Video Vault, and I shared it with Vanguard leadership. This helped to set the tone for my enthusiasm for the project. Further implementation included requesting help from fellow Vanguard teachers, as they would be instrumental to the development of this project. Using Microsoft Teams as a communication tool, I posted invitations for members to participate. Our leadership team agreed to offer points to members who supported the project. Since all Vanguard members must earn 100 points throughout the year by working on various projects to support our goals, I thought this would be a great selling point for me to get participation. Along with the invitations to participate, I developed a suggestions and guidelines document to support Vanguard members in planning their videos. I wanted to make participation in this project as easy as I could for Vanguard members. The final step to bring the Video Vault to fruition was a special edition Van Weekly newsletter that contained the official launch of the project. This contained the purpose, the helpful hints and guidelines, and the link that participants would use to upload their videos. Determining the success of the personalized learning video vault will be simple in nature. Feedback will be collected as users of the video vault respond to 5 questions found on a Microsoft Form response to video survey. Further success will be measured as teachers throughout Fulton County become more comfortable implementing personalized learning strategies in their classrooms. Vanguard coaches will see these changes and report the increase in personalized learning strategies. Ultimately, student achievement will be increased and will be seen as measured on standardized assessments. My experience throughout this Capstone project has had both expected and unexpected outcomes. Many things naturally fell into place through my work with Vanguard. Already serving in a coaching role provided me with opportunities to see how personalized learning is happening in classrooms at my school. I was pleased with the support from our Vanguard leadership team as they willingly met with me and helped me to communicate with the district members using Microsoft Teams and our Van Weekly newsletter. They further supported me by providing points to volunteers. The biggest challenge was the struggle to get Vanguard members to make and submit videos. I re-evaluated my approach and I took the lead by creating a few videos myself. After sharing them out on our Teams page, I also made phone calls to a few Vanguard peers and I personally asked for their support. Soon, I had a few more submissions added to the video vault. This experience required flexible planning. It was necessary to make adjustments along the way. One change involved using Google Forms as the repository to house the video submissions instead of using YouTube as I had originally planned. Using Google Forms made better sense, allowing for easier curation and submission by participants. All in all, I believe my plan offered a great starting point for me, and it gave me many resources to use to support participants. I believe that this project is far from finished. It is my hope to continue to grow the Video Vault in hopes to offer just-in-time professional development for teachers who aim to improve their personalized learning teaching skills. This work has given me authentic experience in how to build a meaningful resource that supports the important work of fellow teachers in Fulton County schools. The Video Vault serves to enhance teacher implementation of the research-based, learner-centered strategies of personalized learning. I used care to ensure that this project would support learning for all students, regardless of race, gender, socioeconomic status, or disability, by including the entire district to utilize the videos and by inviting Vanguard coaches from all learning communities to highlight the work within their schools as they contribute to the repository. Additionally, submissions will be curated according to subject, grade level, content, and all populations of learners. This work will ultimately impact our students as we guide them toward graduation and lead them to become productive citizens who can successfully contribute to our communities. Collaboration efforts with others in the district through the use of various technology tools contributed to the improvement of teaching, learning, and assessment. By developing and implementing a technology-based professional learning tool, I have promoted best practices in teaching, learning, and assessment. As teachers become better skilled at personalizing learning, our students will become the ultimate victors.